Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a sliding glass door off its track. First, ensure your workspace is clear of any obstacles for safety. Take a moment to inspect the door and track for obvious issues. You'll need a few basic tools, such as a screwdriver and a pry bar. Most importantly, enlist the help of a second person. These doors can be quite heavy, often weighing over 100 pounds, making two people essential for safe handling. Now, let's adjust the rollers. Look for the small adjustment screws, typically 2 of them, located on the bottom edge of the door panel. Using a screwdriver, turn these screws counterclockwise. This will retract the rollers, effectively lowering the door by about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. This crucial step creates the necessary clearance for the door to disengage from the upper track. If the door feels stuck, a gentle pry with a flat bar can help. With the rollers retracted, it's time to remove the door. With your helper, firmly grasp both sides of the door. Tilt the bottom of the door panel inward towards the room. Then, lift the entire door upwards, guiding the top edge out of the upper track. Once clear, carefully pull the door panel out of the frame. Be sure to place the door on a stable, padded surface, like a moving blanket, to prevent any scratches or damage. Before reinstalling, take this opportunity to clean the tracks thoroughly, removing any accumulated dirt or debris. Inspect the rollers for wear or damage. Replacing worn rollers now will ensure smooth operation for years to come. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to both the tracks and the rollers. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. Guide the top into the upper track, then lower the bottom onto the bottom track, and finally, adjust the rollers for a perfect fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.